I would like to thank the two members who brought this issue up. Madam Speaker, I come from Nyamira County, where almost 70% of the population rely on tea farming as our own and main cash crop. Madam Speaker, it is somehow comical that the farmers who wake up early in the morning work for nothing, while a few people who sit in offices, be it in Nairobi, around the factories, and the auction points in Mombasa, are the ones who rake millions of shillings. Madam Speaker, tea is auctioned using the dollar denomination. The farmer is never ever informed about the forex. All we see year in, year out is the bonus rate coming down or stagnating. The farmer will still get the same amount from the time the dollar was exchanging at 90 shillings. Today, the dollar gyrates between 120 and 130. But the farmer will still get 20 to 30 shillings per kilo. We can't have a system that is there to ensure the poor remains poor, and the rich who do the least rake millions. It is painful. And as this House, we need to come up with ways to ensure that we protect the farmer, that the tea benefits the poorest person, to ensure they are able to take their kids to school, to ensure they are able to feed their children. We have a responsibility. We cannot sit and wish that the farmers have a better day tomorrow without us doing something. And let this be a wake-up call to KTDA. We are watching, and we will not sit and watch and do nothing while you make our people, the people who are the backbone of this nation, continue to die in poverty. Yet they work, they toil every single day, hoping for a better future. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.